Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on mediation, moderation and conditional process analysis, regression based approach using process in R. So the thing comes, what is the motivation for me to making this complete video series, that is a complete methodology of conditional process analysis. The motivation comes from that there are methodological challenges in social sciences. Advanced techniques like the mediation, moderation, conditional process analysis are essential for testing nuanced theories, yet formal university coursework in these areas is often limited. Mostly in India, the universities have maybe 6 months of at the max 1 year coursework, but still it is more or less like a self-learning process. So what happens is this forces many PhD students into a difficult process of self-learning, which can result in research that lacks methodological rigor. So there is a practical solution that I am trying to figure out, that it is that this video series will provide a clear step-by-step guide to conducting these analysis using the process macro in R. This series is designed to equip my students, and not only my students but also researchers everywhere, with the practical skills and confidence needed to apply these powerful methods correctly. And this will in the long run will help them in having a better thesis, better paper qualities, and more conceptual clarity of this methodology of mediation, moderation and conditional process analysis. So the flow of the series will be the first module will be giving an introduction to R. I will be hand holding you for in every step. I will be showing you from where to install R, how to install R, where to install R Studio, from where to get all these files and all. And then even I will go with the basics of linear regression, because all the mediation, moderation and conditional process analysis relies on the conceptual clarity of the R's linear regression, simple linear regression, multiple linear regression. So first we will go into linear regression, then as the series will move forward, we will have mediation, moderation and conditional process analysis. The textbook, if somebody wants to refer, is the mediation, moderation and conditional process analysis, third edition, and it is by Andrew F. Hayes, and the image you can see on the screen right now. The link to the resources I will be uploading along with the video. I will be putting in the descriptions of my video on the YouTube. So couple of links that are very important is from where you are going to download R if you have not already installed, and how to download RStudio. The link will be there, and the where this topic relies on the process macro, and that too in version 5. uh, we will be using this URL to download this. Okay. So now I will straight away move and help you install R and RStudio along with getting the process macro. Okay. So to install R, you need to visit the first website, that is the CRAN R project bin Windows so and so base. What you need to do is just click over here if you are using Windows. So download R version 4.5 for Windows. Once this is downloaded, you can install it and follow most of the default commands, and you will be easily able to install. Once this is done, you can move to the second URL that will be there in the description, that is go to a site called posit.co. On this site, you will be able to find on the right hand side that install RStudio. So RStudio is nothing but it is the interface, you can simply say, that allows you to interact with R. So once you click download RStudio desktop for Windows, follow the most of the default commands and install the RStudio. Okay, so install R was the first step. Do not use this R 3.6 because on the main R website you will already find that there is a 4.5 newer version is there. So we will go with the newest version. Then you can install your RStudio. Once these tools are installed, you can move to the third URL, that is will take you to the author's website. There the author is provided to download process version 4.5. So once you click, a zip file will be downloaded. Okay, a zip file will be downloaded, and in a moment of time I will show you what to do with that zip file. So we will go back. Once you have installed the RStudio, it will be running on the R that you have already installed. The first thing you need to do, go to the right hand side of the screen where you can see that I have, and click and write a new project. click a new project. So So once you click, you will get this create project, new directory, existing directory. So I will be using the existing directory option, but if you're starting for the first time, you have to use the new directory option. I will just show you what you need to do. Once you do the new directory, you can go to the new project and can fill all the details over here. Okay. So okay, I will also do the new directory here even. So it says that it will create a project as a subdirectory of hmydriver. It's okay. I will name it as his 2025, and I will allow it to create a new project, and also I will say open in a new session, so that whatever I was working I will can be taken out, and I start a new session. So I will just create project. So it will just take a second to run. Now you can see that this window has come up, and on the right hand top that Hayes 2025 project is run, has been created, that I have given the name. And right now there are four screens. If you see that, first is a console, other is the environment on the right hand side, then there is a file screen. What you need to do is, if you click on this top over here, you will get the fourth screen also. So that is called a, let's just say, a rough sheet or a script file, where you can write your codes, and then you can execute them on the lower part where you will see the output. So you can say that this is the input part where I will write my code. You can write your code directly here also, but then you cannot edit. But here you can write it, and if the code is not getting executed in the console window properly, you can always edit it over here and rerun the code. Okay. So what is going will what have happen is, on your folders, wherever your directory is there, a folder would be created in the name of Hayes 2025. Okay. So you have to open this folder. Okay. And once you have extracted, let me show you how it would be looking like. So in the downloads folder, this process zip file would have come. Once this process zip file would have come, you have to just double click it and only extract. You have to only extract this process version 5.0 for R. No need to extract process 5.0 for SAS or process 5.0 for SPSS. So once you've extracted, this folder would come. It's a very simple task you need to do without much of a hassle. You need to select the first one, Control C, and go to the Hayes folder that you have just created. Okay, I'm just showing you again in my directory. I have created this Hayes 2025 folder. I am opening this folder and I'm pasting the process R file from the zip folder that has been unzipped to the Hayes 2025 folder. Once this is done, when you come back, once you come back, you will be able to find that this process.r file is available on your right hand side. This task makes our work a lot easier. So now next step is what we need to do. We just need to click on this, and it will say that I'm opening the file, and this will take a long code. You don't need to understand. There's nothing to understand. There's nothing to read on this. You have to simply, it's a very long code, some around 7,000 lines if I'm not wrong. 7,581 lines are there. No need to worry about. So what you need to do is, you need to select, you need to come to the last line. No, let me select the complete and then run it. Okay, now it has started to execute the complete script. So it will take around 5 minutes. I will pause the video for a second over here, and I will resume back once the installation is complete. Okay, so welcome back. It has taken a good amount of 5 minutes to install, but if everything has got installed correctly, if you see on the left hand bottom, you will be able to see that this process procedure for R version 5.0 written by Andrew Hayes, afhayes.com, and these details, if they appear on your screen, it means the process has been installed. Also on the right hand side, the first block, you will be able to see that there are some functions written over there, process bootcamp 3. No need to get intimidated by that. Whatever they are saying, what has happened is that this complete script file has run, .r file has run, and this software has installed in the back end of your R. To avoid this 5 minutes of time consumption every time, what you need to do is, if you pay close attention, just below environment there is this save. There are multiple saves on the other side also, but this saves uh, will help you in some other tasks. But right now above the environment they will have save workspace as. This is the first and mostly maybe the last time I'm asking you to save workspace as. What we are going to do is, if we click this, what is going to happen, any progress made till now will get saved as it is, and the next time we resume this project at Haze 2025, we will start from this point itself, and we do not need to invest our another 5 minutes to rerun the process macro. If you do not do this and close it by some other means, like exit or do not save the workspace, then you will face issue, and then again you have to run the complete macro. So what I am going to do to make it slightly better to save, I am closing this process version 5 .r and just keeping the empty slate of untitled one over there. Now I'm going to click save workspace. This box will come and I say yes, save file name. I will give you some any file name. Let us say process, and I will put today's date, process underscore 10.06.2025, and I will just save it. So within that folder, soon you will be able to see on my right hand side, the second block will have the file coming up. It is right now saving. The stop button is that the process is under execution. It will get saved. Once it is gets saved, and the next time you resume, you have to just click that respective file, and it will start from that time only. So overall, this was how to install RStudio, how to get the process setup done. And once you have done this, we will move to our the main agenda that we are going to deal. How this is a simple mediation model, this is a moderation model, this is a conditional process analysis, and this I will begin from the next video. I hope in this video the agenda that I wanted to achieve, that why it is important to learn CPA, and also how to install RStudio and the process macro is clear to all. If you have any doubts, please leave your in the comment section of this video, and also all the links will be there in the description how to install everything. Please follow the links, and I hope to see you all in the next video. So thank you for your time, and I see you soon. Thank you.